How to use Slack Huddle feature step by step. To use the Slack Huddle feature, first of all, you have to start or join a huddle itself. Go ahead and launch the application on your device, then open specific channel or direct message. Once you open it, all you have to do is go ahead and then look for the microphone or the headphone icon on the top right corner. Now, once you find it, go ahead and tap on this. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the Start Huddle option and then give permissions for your device to access the camera as well as microphone. Now, once you're here within the huddle, you simply have to tap on this Invite People option to invite people from your contact list. And you can also now tap on this emoji option to give reactions. You can use the effects from here as well as stickers. You can tap on this camera icon to enable your video camera. And now you can also tap on this microphone icon to share your audio voice on Huddle. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.